Hi all. Welcome to Toot Toot Tech. If you are new here, please like our page and support us. Today, let's quickly rewind. What is central pivot range? And why it's a very important indicator to be used in trading? The standard floor pivots indicator. The standard floor pivots indicator is available in all the trading platforms. It includes only the central pivot point, along with 3 levels of support and 3 levels of resistance. However, adding the pivot range, that is top center and bottom center, to the floor pivots indicator, creates a more dynamic and unique trading tool. At any given time, the range can be support or resistance. It can forecast trending or sideways price behavior, dictate the day's direction, or serve as an integral part of a trend. By adding this range, the indicator becomes exponentially more valuable in helping traders keep an edge over their competition. In trading, an edge is all you need to make money. You don't have to remember the central pivot range formula. It is just for your reference. We have added a separate video on how to add central pivot range indicator to your chart. You can watch it from the description section. In the upcoming session, we will cover the topic lower value relationship. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.